What's up, everybody? This video is the first in a series about investing. The purpose of the series is to show you that investment is not as difficult as it appears. And for anyone who has no clue what investing is, like I had at one point, this should help. So, what exactly is investing? Investing, by definition, is when you apportion something of value, like time or money, in hopes of generating uh, some future benefit. So in financial terms, though, this usually refers to investing capital in order to earn a profit or to have a source of income in the future. So why do people invest? Now, it's the purpose of investing is to get the money to work for you. So you want to create a situation where that's happening. And as the value of what you put in grows or declines over time, it results in a profit or loss. And most people invest so that they can get some profit out of it. No, there are two types of investments. First is the most common long-term investments. These are the safest form of investment, and usually the investments that are most volatile in the short term are usually the best in the long term. And investing is usually not a source of quick income. So if you have a lot of money and you want to put it somewhere, it is a good idea sometimes to put it into long-term investments because those are not that risky, and it's a good if you've done your research, it can be a good source of profit. Day trading is the less common, more short-term, high-risk part of investing, and it involves buying and selling investments on the same day. Day trading is very risky, like I said, and it involves a lot of speculation. So now we're going to look at some types of investments. The first and most common thing you probably think about when you think of investments are stocks. You can also invest in property, real estate, for example, or cryptocurrency, which is currency that's digital, or startups like Shark Tank does, where they invest in a startup company in hopes of getting some profit in the future. So how would one go about getting started in investing? So investing in stocks is not that difficult, and anyone can invest. You don't have to have a large sum of cash. One way to start investing is through apps like Acorns or Stash, which um, you should use on your own caution, but they take very small amounts and allow you to invest them. And if you don't have a lot of money, you can still invest what you have in small portions to practice investment, so you can keep up with finance news to be on top of your investment game. One last way you can get started in investing is through bird dogging, which is when you scout property and share it with real estate investors, and you receive a fee for that. So that's another good way to get started on investing. I just want to disclaimer all of this by saying that you should do your own research on investing. I am not an expert in the field. Our only intention is to help you gain a better understanding of such topics, but before you do anything with your own money, you should do more extensive research. So that's all for the first investing video. I hope you've learned a little bit about what exactly investing is. And in the next videos, we're going to go over some more details on how to get started and what goes on in the world of investments.